doing peanut Thai sauce and have oil. So I've got 2 bunches of sliced cremini. So if you want to hang around, I'm going to do the Thai sauce. Get the prawns. Oh no, is it shrimp this time? I'll take them out. Shrimp. It's okay. So the sauce, sugar-free. I've made it on here before. I've heated up the peanut butter. 1 second. I set it out with scalding hot water. Let's just focus on this one. Okay, we're coming up to a. I need to have more peanut butter. This is pretty runny. It's okay though. Don't worry. Washing this are done. Yeah, I added too much water. Well, gonna get up some more peanut butter. Rice wine vinegar or vinegar. You want it tart, sweet, and salty. Oh gosh. Okay, just a little bit. Not too much. That's the Thai sauce here. Actually, that should be fine. Wow, it's hot. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Add pepper. That piece of good. Getting over. Look how big some of them are. These are huge. Let them cook down just a bit. It's a very nice earthy way to. Oh, I forgot the white onion. Doggone it. I've got cremini, cauliflower, small squares, cabbage, zucchini, and peppers. So, put the lid on for that. It's got oil in there. So how are you guys doing? Have you tried this yet? Thai peanut sauce. It's very amicable for a diet. You do the carb thing. You could do this on cauliflower rice. A lot of cabbage. Very dietary. 3/4 of a cauliflower. Oh, it smells so good. And this is from start to finish. I'm just a home cook. I'm not a chef. I tried out my chopper. I really like it. I'm going to reach out to them and say, hey, Luck makes it. Are you okay? This has so many pieces to it. It's sharp. It's fabulous. It's really good. Really, really, really good. Pretty only give these a few more minutes. And there were 2 packages that went in. Really, this might be where you put your rice, or your rice, your onion. You could put garlic in there, and ginger. Oh, that's what I'm missing with the sauce. Ginger. I'm supposed to add ginger. It tastes really good. So I'm going to leave it alone. Oh, and red flakes. Chili. I'm going to leave it alone too. There's enough in this. Maybe just a little bit more. Oh, a wee bit more. It's got the, there. It's got the chili in it. Let's use that now. Yeah, it's good. Really good. Okay, we're going to take the lid off now. That's nice. I've got 3/4 of the cauliflower. I'm going to add some water. There is some celery that's going in here. It's pretty watery. I'll add that in a few minutes. The whole thing with Asian cooking really is that the vegetables are not sticky until we cook. Let this cook down a little bit. Got the cauliflower and mushroom. Adding in the celery. And cabbage. Cabbage is pretty watery. No big deal if you chop your vegetables up like this, because they do cook down. So that's okay. I eat a lot of vegetables. And truthfully, if I added any more soy, that would be a very big problem. And if I add any more oil, that also would be a problem. So I'm going to add water and let it steam. It's on max. It's on 400. I'd rather use this pan than the frying pan. But I'm going to give it a good 10 minutes. Check on it. I'm not leaving the kitchen. I never do. And then at the very end, I've got courgette or zucchini, whatever you want to call it. It's been chopped. And lots of peppers. That'll go in at the end. And then I'll show you how I tie it all together with a bit of my Thai peanut sauce that's not authentic, because you're supposed to add like lots of pepper, chili flakes, right? And I'm not doing that. And I think it's sweet enough. I like it the way it is. Maybe I'll check it again just to see. Yeah. The reason I'm adding more vinegar, this rice wine vinegar, is because I elevated the this stuff. Should be good. Oh, indeed. Just gonna give it a stir. At this point, steaming. Or to steam. In order for that to happen, I have to leave it alone a little bit. I want this to cook down considerably so that the rest of these vegetables will fit. I might take some of them. Yeah, I think I will. Put them in the Ziploc bag. I'll come back. That's exactly what I did. put 3/4 of a bag, or 3/4 bag into a bag, and I'm just going to let this merge together. It's very colorful, maybe a little bit more. And if it has a little bit of water, I can always take that out. If you like it salty, if you're doing this, like, gotta admit, it's pretty, really pretty dish. You could add like, I wanted eggplant, but we couldn't find it in the store. So, anyway, the cabbage makes it go further, more inexpensive. And yeah, you could add more mushrooms. You could let it cook down this more, like if you want it to really cook down a lot, you could do that too. But we'll see what I feel like doing. Because it's going to have to sit. And then I'll be adding a lot of this sauce. So the sauce does thicken up even though I've added a lot of water to it. It's I can't speak. It's very runny, but it thickens up. So I'm going to take a moment to clean up the rest of my area. I'll talk to you in a minute. Just giving it a wee stir. Steaming very nicely. You could always add more oil if you wanted to. I probably had about 3 tablespoons in this whole thing, but this is enough for a few days for quite a few people. And put it over top of rice. Oops. Like I said, before it's not done, I was about to sweep. I don't think I will. Anyway, it's gotta cook. I just want to give it a stir. Once it cooks to desired effect, add enough chili peanut sauce, Thai sauce to whatever it is that you like. You might like less, you might like more. Here we go. In paleo, you can have it on top of cabbage, any vegetable. Yeah, peanut butter. Oh, that's good. And this one's dirty. Like my little ramekins, if I can find them. Okay, thanks for joining me. Take care. Let me know if you make it.